Disney Traven, and today I'm be showing you guys a makeup tutorial, of course. It's me inspired by music I've been listening to lately. They're kind of like, they sound pretty 60s, like late 50s, early 60s kind of music, like doo-wop music, and I really do like them. I kind of want to mix goth with like 60s makeup, kind of. Like I'm mainly gonna do like the 60s like cut crease, like the eyeliner, like the white and black. I think I've always wanted to do that kind of makeup, and I think it's really pretty. I've kind of done stuff similar to that in the past before, which is black and white cut crease I did, but it wasn't like totally 60s. It was like modern cut crease, of course. But yeah, I do like the big like eyes and the eyelashes on the bottom, and the white and black eyeshadow and the graphic liner. So yeah, I think that looks really cool. I'm just looking at a picture now. I'm just admiring it. So yeah. Let's just jump into the tutorial now. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off today with doing my eyebrows. Normally I do them last, but today I'm gonna start off first while I kind of think of like what exactly I want to do with my eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm just gonna dip into this Kat Von D eyebrow pomade and graphite, and I'm gonna get a small angled brush and just trace over my eyebrows and fill them in. I'm using Kat Von D's Divine Palette, and I'm gonna get a flat eyeshadow brush. This is from e.l.f. This was like only like $1 back when I bought it, and the color I'm using is Female Trouble, which is this white one right here, and I'm just gonna get quite a bit on this brush, so that way it nice and pigmented. I'm gonna kind of lay out the base of the eyeshadow. I don't want to do the eyeliner first, I want to do that last, or at least after I apply the white eyeshadow, so that way I can like kind of, I don't know, so that way like I'll first do the eyeshadow and then I'll clean up the eyeliner, so yeah. Okay, so I think that eyeshadow looks pretty cool so far. Like, I think white eyeshadow and red eyes look really badass, honestly. Like, I like the combo a lot. Maybe I should wear something like this out normally, or maybe do not look like this soon. We'll see. Maybe just for Instagram, maybe I'll do a video for YouTube, we'll see. Next I'm going to be doing the liner next. We're going to be using Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner and Trooper. It's a black eyeliner. You can use whatever eyeliner you want. And we're just going to be drawing on like a wing and then something up here to kind of like outline the white to make it pop out more. Okay, that took me like about 20 minutes to do all my eyeliner. It took me like 6 minutes to do one, and then maybe a little more to do this one because I had a hard time doing this one for some reason. Well, also because my hand was like stretching over here, so it was easier to do on this side than this side, but it took forever to get nice and precise. But yeah, so next we're going to be using some white eyeliner on the waterline. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that. And I'm not sure, I might be putting some eyeshadow down here and underneath my waterline, so yeah. So next I'm using Kat Von D's Saint and Sinner palette before we go on any further, more eyeliner. I'm going to be using the shade Absolution. I kind of want to add some sparkle to my lid. This one's a pretty white. It has a gold reflex in it. It's really pretty. It's like gold glitter on it. I'm going to put it on my lids and maybe a little bit on the corners of my eyes. I'm not sure if I'll add that one or a different shade. I'll think about that. So I did add some of the other eyeshadow onto my, what was it called? Absolution. I added some absolution onto the corners of my eyes right here. And I thought it came out pretty good. I had to retouch the eyeliner because I've got a bunch of sparkles on it, and I kind of like laid it over some eyeshadow to mattify it. So we, cause like the eyeliner wasn't really taking the sparkle away, unfortunately. So yeah. But anyway, so next we're gonna be lining again underneath my bottom lids. And what the hell is my cat doing? So yeah, I'm just gonna bring like the eyeliner down here, kind of like make some kind of like inner cat eye type thing. I'm also gonna bring out the eyeliner in the inner corner too. So yeah. I'm using the Lunta Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm using it for blush. I've been looking at all the 60s inspired like makeup pictures, like makeup from the 60s, and they wore blush. They didn't really contour back then. I might contour a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, we're just gonna use some blush. I might build it up. I might start off light and then maybe go a bit dark, maybe like darker, kind of to make like a contour a little bit. The darkest, I mean, this is I think the darkest shade right here. This one's like a really bright like pink. But this is like the darker pink, and I think it's perfect for like blush contouring. So yeah, sorry, my cat keeps meowing. I don't know what she wants. So yeah, so we're just gonna be doing that. I feel like there's something in my eye. Actually, there is something in my eye, like a piece of fur in my eye. There we go. I think that's all. Yeah. So sorry about that. So yeah, I'm gonna be building up the blush. I'm gonna dip into this lighter one first, kind of dab some of it off my arm, and then I'm just gonna kind of put it like on my cheekbones, maybe bring it up to my cheek a little bit, and just blend it, and I might just go darker from there. Next, I'm actually be contouring my jawline. I'll be using this shade right here. It's like a darkish grayish kind of color. You can also use browns, whatever color you want to contour your jaw with. So yeah. So next I'm applying some lipstick, and I noticed a lot of the pictures of like in 60s inspired makeup, or like pictures actually from the 60s, they didn't really wear dark lipsticks. They wore like nudes or maybe like light pinks. But you know what, I'm gonna say screw it, and I'm just gonna go with red. I think maybe they used, is this red? Yeah, it is red. They might have used reds in the 50s. I'm not even sure. I have to look back at that makeup, honestly. But yeah, so I'm gonna use red. I think it'll kind of look cool with my red eyes. So yeah, and we're kind of doing like gothic kind of 60s makeup. I mean, it's not entirely gothic, but like it's, I don't know. it's mainly 60s makeup, but yeah, it's like whatever. So yeah, we're just gonna be applying lipstick on. My eyelashes. These ones are from Alien Cosmetics, and they're called Phone Home. They're really pretty. They're huge, and they have like red in them. They're really beautiful. And I forgot to mention earlier that the lipstick I had used is actually Red Rose from Lime Crime, and it's pretty red. I love it so much. Probably like one of my favorite red lipsticks from Lime Crime. So anyway, so next we're gonna be gluing on some bottom lashes. I just basically cut up an old eyelash that I never really used from like a dollar store. And yeah, that's basically what I use for bottom lashes. I just cut up old or like just dollar store lashes and I just kind of glue them on the bottom. So yeah, so we're gonna be doing that. So I think I'm done with makeup. Actually, I think I'm gonna add like a little beauty marker here. I have one here, but I'm gonna darken it just to make it look more dramatic. That's about it. And then I'm gonna do my hair real quick, and then I guess I'll just take some pictures and do the outro. So yeah, so that'll be it for the makeup for right now. Okay, well that is it for today's makeup tutorial. It's actually inspired by this band called Twin Temple. They're really cool. They sound pretty 60s, like late 50s, early 60s. And they're really awesome, honestly. And they kind of the singer, she really reminds me of, like, her voice kind of reminds me of Amy Winehouse, and it's really beautiful. I just love it. The music's just hypnotizing. It's beautiful, and her outfit, I got inspired by her outfit because she wears like a veil. And she has like this like headdress type thing. But I just put my hair into a little, what's it called, a beehive, and then I just kind of did like how like she has like a swirl like right here, like her hair kind of swirls. I thought that was really cool, like with her baby hair, so I kind of wanted to recreate that too. Of course I didn't do like her makeup that she wears, but I just wanted to do something like really 60s and like kind of like gothic a little bit. Like if there was like goths like back in the 60s, this is probably how they would look. Maybe, I don't know. I know there was like, I don't know, I have to look more back into it. 'Cause I don't think there really was goths back in the 60s. I'm not too sure. Maybe not yet. I don't think so. Maybe it was like until like the 70s maybe. I'm not sure. I'll look more into that. But yeah, so I thought this was a lot of fun to look. I mean, this was a lot of fun to create. Kind of thought about this like that last night, and I was gonna do it last night, but then I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'll just do it tomorrow. And I had a lot of fun doing this. So yeah, so I thought this little cape came in handy. It's actually a cape, and I just clipped it into my hair. So yeah, I can't really see my little beehive though. I need like a lighter background. So oh well. So yeah, so that is it for today's makeup tutorial. So make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Denise Draven as always. So yeah, I always post a lot on Instagram. I'm always posting makeup looks that sometimes will go up in YouTube. Or like sneak peeks of future YouTube videos and whatnot. So yeah, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. And that's it for today's video. So bye guys!